What can I do with my old iPhone? Promote it, recycle it, repurpose it, or go it alongside. New iPhones are launched yearly. Should you keep on the innovative, you are doubtless upgrading your outdated iPhone lengthy earlier than it has lived out its helpful life. Now that carriers aren't into subsidizing iPhones as they as soon as had been, costs have skyrocketed. At most carriers and at the Apple retailer, you will get a hefty trade-in deal in your outdated iPhone. Should you aren't into buying and selling it in or conserving it as a backup, there are many different issues you are able to do together with your outdated iPhone when you upgrade to the shiny new version. Anti-cellular. If the iPhone is a CDMA phone, Dash and Verizon are suitable carriers. How do you inform the distinction? GSM iPhones have SIMs, CDMA iPhones do not. Flip it into an iPod contact. An iPhone with no mobile service is actually an iPod Touch. Take away your SIM card if the iPhone has one, and you've got a media participant, contract and calendar system, and a Wi-Fi connection. The iPhone makes use of Wi-Fi to hook up with the app retailer and do all the things an iPod contact can do. Slap on some earbuds and go jogging to your favorite tunes. If you wish to hand off the iPod contact to a good friend or a member of the family, the fortunate recipient wants a free Apple ID to make it work. With an Apple ID, he can entry the app retailer without cost and paid apps and obtain beforehand bought apps and music to his new iPod contact. Flip it right into a safety digicam. In case your iPhone is an iPhone 5 or newer, you'll be able to flip it right into a safety digicam. You may have to obtain an app for that, however then you definitely'll have reside streaming, movement alerts and cloud recording at your fingertips. If you wish to save and consider safety footage, you may want a storage plan, and the apps are comfortable to promote you one. The Presence app, ManyThing app, and At Home Camera app are 3 apps that may flip your outdated iPhone right into a safety digicam. Use it as an Apple TV distant management. In case you are one of many individuals who cannot stand the distant management that comes with the Apple TV, simply obtain the Apple TV Distant app to your outdated iPhone and, presto, you've gotten a brand new distant. With the latest Apple TV, you should use Siri on the iPhone to manage it. With older Apple TV variations, you employ the keyboard to seek for exhibits, which remains to be an enormous enchantment over the provided distance search perform. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.